Another great thing with this system, if we go, it will play, as long as it's set up properly, it will play any audio that's playing on your phone through the speakers in the vehicle. So I'm going to turn this down. If I go to here, we'll turn this down because I can't play any music, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But there you go, Stevie Nicks Gypsy playing there. You see BT Citroen at the bottom, so there's a tick next to that. That means anything that plays on this phone will play through this system if I've got it set up right. So now it's playing on here. We go over, you see the music symbol here, click on the music symbol. At the moment it's only on radio, so if I was to turn this up, the radio would come out of the speakers. You've got sources here, click on sources, and then you've got the option radio and Bluetooth. Now if any of these other things were plugged in down here, those would be highlighted too, but at this moment in time we've only got the two options. So we'll click on Bluetooth, and there you see Gypsy, both playing. If I was to turn that up, you'd hear Stevie Nicks blasting through these speakers. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.